Shelter-in-place warning. Debris from the International Space Station are expected to impact much of Cameron and Hidalgo counties within the next half hour. Treat this threat as if it was a tornado. Many buildings in the impact zone will suffer extreme damage. Power lines may be downed, resulting in widespread power outages. Debris impact times are as follows: Brownsville, Texas within 39 minutes. Port Isabel, Texas within 28 minutes, Harlingen, Texas within 43 minutes, Mercedes, Texas within 20 minutes, Elsa, Texas within 36 minutes, and McAllen, Texas within 31 minutes. To shelter in place, go to the most interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Cover yourself in blankets or towels to protect yourself from flying debris. Seal all cracks and vents leading into your home. In the event a debris strike causes a grass fire, do not attempt to evacuate. Roadways should remain open for emergency services. Seek shelter now.